yesterday we began a lesson on mixtures and solutions. So today in our lesson, let's establish our objective already. All eyes on who? Ultimate listening faces. Now remember not to hold your breath. Thank you. All righty. I will observe. And remember, observe is a big word that means look. I will observe and compare. And remember we said compare means we're going to look at how something is the same and how it's different. I will observe and compare mixtures. That is that word again. Thank you, Jaden. I will observe and compare mixtures. Let's finish reading. So that I can sort mixtures and solutions. Thank you. Okay, we don't need to spell each one of the words. We just want to make sure that we're on point with what our objective is. So that I can sort mixtures and solutions. I know I have it when I can sort correctly. Do we have to do it all of the time or most of the time?
Most of the time.
I can sort correctly
Most of the
time. Good job. So, going back to yesterday, we completed a Venn diagram about mixtures, and we said that of mixtures, there's a special mixture that we call solutions. So, DJ, what is a simple mixture? What do we know about a mixture? They can be taken apart. So, Kaviana, can you give me an example of something that's a mixture? What two substances can we put together that would create a mixture? Better think. Peas and carrots works for me. Does peas and carrots work for you?
Yeah.
Peas and carrots is a mixture, and from our information we said that mixtures can come apart, and Trayshawn told us that they can also be put back together. And so we listed some examples as peas and carrots.
That's DJ that told us.
Grapes and strawberries. Rocks and sand, and even Legos. How are Legos a mixture? Frankie? How are Legos a mixture?
You can put them apart and take them apart.
We can put them together and take them apart? Well, for them to be a mixture, will we use two different color Legos maybe?
Yeah.
So if we mix them all up, we have a mixture?
Red and yellow.
Oh, so if we use red and yellow Legos to make a mixture of
And
Legos, we can separate them?
Yeah.
Okay, so do we agree then that playing with Legos, we'll be playing with a mixture?
Yeah, Lego.
Alrighty, we'll wait for Tyranny.
We have to
Please put it
on our
down. Thank you. And for solutions, we said that solutions were also mixtures, but what do we know about solutions, Jaden?
That they cannot be taken apart.
So once we have two substances and we put them together, in a solution,
They cannot be taken
we cannot take them apart again. So, Janaya, can you think of a solution that we might be able to mix together that we would not be able to separate? Can you think of anything? Okay, you know what? If you need some help, you can give me a sign. Need some help? Some help? Alright, she needs some help. Let's see, a solution. Trayshawn, can we help Janai think of a solution?
Solution, you cannot take it apart.
Okay, so we've established that we cannot separate the substances in a solution, but what is an example of a solution? Let's give him a chance to think. We've asked for help. Let's give him a chance to think. Did we list some examples?
Nope.
We didn't list examples of solutions
Yes.
yesterday?
Yes.
Let's see if he thinks of something. Well, let's try it this way. Trayshawn, would cake mix be a solution?
Yes.
How is cake mix a solution?
Because when you make a cake, you cannot take it apart.
So when we mix the ingredients into cake batter, we can't, once it's mixed up, we can't go back in there and pull those 2 eggs out?
No!
We can't go in and get the sugar and pull it out?
No!
No?
Not the... We can use
No? What about the oil?
Not the oil.
No? Because,
You can do the frosting.
yeah, well, the oil is not a part of the cake. Our frosting is not a part yet. So, I agree. Do we agree with Trayshawn? Cake mix will be a solution?
Yeah!
Good job. Alrighty, so, yesterday we began talking about mixtures and solution. Today we get to get our hands dirty and we get to experiment with some mixed stuff. Who's ready? Please show me. Oh, I will wait until I see bodies that are prepared for learning, prepared for experimenting. Kaviana is ready. I can see those wheels turning. She's remembering what makes a mixture. She's remembering what a solution is, and she's ready to apply it. So, our objective says that we are going to observe and compare mixtures. So at the table, we have set up 2 substances at each station. Everyone is going to get to test a mixture of their own. But before we test, we need to establish a hypothesis. Everyone at your table is going to assist in hypothesizing based upon your substances. Mr. Griffin, my lesson is still going. Please have a seat. You're going to look at your 2 substances based upon what we know a mixture and a solution are, and you're going to predict, are those substances going to end up being a solution or a mixture? We're going to test the hypothesis, and then we're going to go back, and if we need to make changes, we can. And if not, then we're going to move on. Are we ready? All right, so we are going to pull color pieces. We already know your color correlates with the puzzle on the table. Once the puzzle is complete,
Shop in your bag.
right? No, please don't shop in my bag. Get what you need and move to your space. Once your puzzle is complete at that table, that means you need to find another table. So how many orange will be at one table?
1.
How many pink will be at one table?
1.
How many yellow?
1.
And how many green?
1.
1. So that means if the table is complete, if the puzzle is complete at the table, what do you need to do?
Go to another table.
Think, DJ, kiss your brain. Will you always so on
She's
top
not
of it?
talking.
Alrighty, so Trayshawn, I can see Trayshawn is ready. Trayshawn, please come and pull and establish your space at a table. Purple column, you may come. Once you are at the table, please fit your puzzle piece and choose a bracelet. Blue column, thank you, Ramaya. Francisco, please watch my friend's fingers. And orange.
Nope, you can't be in.
I have on task and quiet cones for those tables that show me that they are on task, focused, and ready to be rewarded.